Good morning, good evening, good night. Spencer here in the Grow Like Nature garden. Just coming to do a quick garden update. Haven't been out here too long. And I haven't been out here in about a week or so since we had that supposed ice storm last week in Atlanta, Georgia, Zone 8A. Looks like some of my collards took a bit of a hit, but that's okay. We'll get that pruned up and get them watered. Something clearly has come over here and dug up. Mustards are doing all right. We'll make a Grow Like Nature compost tea and just hit them real quick. Let's see what we got here. Radishes. Oh no, these are turnips. Yeah, these are turnips. More turnips over here as well. I didn't thin these out because I wasn't really interested in the actual turnip roots, more so just interested in the leaves. Carrots, I was not motivated to thin these out either. So that's why it's a lot of those. Let's see what one might look like right now, though. Let's see. Maybe we can get one. Yep, just a little carrot. We probably should have thinned them out. We'll still do that. My garlic is looking good, doing what it needs to do. More collards and kale doing well over here. Got some more carrots, more garlic, more carrots, and let's see. We got carrots here, kale 1, kale 2, garlic, more carrots, and some parsley behind it. Surprised this parsley is still doing well after all that freezing. These collards are looking stupendous. More carrots and garlic. Oh, I got some lettuce and arugula here. I'll come by and get a salad for today. That'll be tasty. More garlic. Oh, looks like the daffodils have popped up. And that's the update for the Grow Like Nature garden. Cold weather season 2026. That's what we got going on, y'all. Collards, carrots, kale, garlic. Oh no, yeah, more garlic, more carrots, collards. Oh, here's a radish. So I'll come back and I might cook that up for lunch. That'll be tasty. Saute it up real quick with some carrots. Spencer, this is Grow Like Nature, showing you how to grow intentionally, grow abundantly, but most importantly, grow like nature with Grow Like Nature.